When I bumped into Fuuz and saw what they were doing and the ability to completely transform a business very rapidly, all of those little building blocks helped build a perfect entrance ramp for me to say, okay, this is a good fit for what I want to do on how I want to help manufacturing. Hi, I'm Tony Kaczmarek, Senior Director of Enterprise Solutions. My role here at Fuuz, in my brand new role, is to help Fuuz really communicate the power and the capabilities of our tools. I'll be working with the prospects, with customers, with the partner ecosystem to really understand the full capabilities of Fuuz and how it fits into the manufacturing ecosystem. So my background comes out of the shop floor of facilities instead of manufacturing. So I started in energy management and HVAC controls, access controls, those types of things, and helped build an automation company to grow more into industrial and then into manufacturing. And basically spent 25 years building that to a point where we were integrating around the world and had over 100 customers and 200 manufacturing sites. Always loved the manufacturing environment and specifically the shop floor. And I've always had a close pulse onto what we can do to transform that as effectively as possible. When I look at Fuuz, there is so much power that we can't hold all of that power just to ourselves. We want to release that power. We want to educate. We want to scale that as far as possible into the ecosystem. So again, that's one of my goals and roles, is to find these partners. We want to enable those partners to really amplify what you're doing and take this superpower that we've created. We want to give all of our partners and our customers a superpower cape that they can take and really amplify what they're able to do within their own plants. I think manufacturing is in a desperate situation for really generational change as quickly as possible. So my goal is to see how we can do that within Fuuz, where we can support that ecosystem to be as effective as possible. So the CEO, Craig, and I, we're actually a little bit of competitors back in the day. We both kind of admired what each other was doing and what our roles were in the ecosystem. As I joined Fuuz, there's probably going to be quite a few raised eyebrows knowing my role in the ecosystem. And it's fun for me because now I've really gotten to kind of team up with my pseudo competitor with my perspective in the ecosystem for the last 20 years. It gives me a different lens that I can kind of articulate to the customer and say, I know your experience, I've lived your experience, I represented that experience for years. Here's why Fuuz is so different. Here's how we can transform your business and take the shackles off of how you're typically doing business and really allow you to innovate and differentiate and be successful. So it's kind of fun to take that personal relationship that we had and really see where we can take that professionally and really help the ecosystem. So I'm really excited.